EasyGate is a company that my wife and I put together some 18 years ago, based here in Tauranga in sunny Bay of Plenty. We have about 14 staff here, and we manufacture driveway gates very quickly out of aluminium. We put them through to the QCing, and then we get on to the powder coating of it before we dispatch them, send them around the country. We do a bit of fencing as well, and we're also importers of automation that complements the gates that we sell. Oh goodness, it's a bit of a revolution there with what we've been using in the past for respiratory, and I remember in the early days there was nothing used, and that was because no one ever actually thought about the fact that, hey, my health is going to be impeded here unless I do something about it. And so we went to wearing scarves, to normal surgical masks, to the quarter mask with the breathable systems on it.
And it was quite often that we had to change the filters all the time due to dust and smoke from the welding and the grinding sparks.
I just felt that they were quite cumbersome, and some of them were complaining about skin allergies and things like that.
At the end of the day, you feel tired, you feel your lungs is filled with smoke, and when they have beards, it normally doesn't seal properly the old way.
We've had our nurses coming in and doing a regular study on their respiratory units, etc., and we were told by them that we needed to do better on creating an environment that was going to best sustain long-term breathing for my staff.
So we started on the TECMEN 1000 welding helmet, which was a great product. The guys are using it now, making sure there's no smoke coming in their faces. And then we discovered the G10, which is the face shield, covered the guys' full faces. And using the same equipment through just quick connection between the pipes to the G10 face shield. And it's quite light to use. They change it all the time between the welding helmet and the face shield, which is quite good.
The fact that they didn't have to wear the cumbersome half masks and deal with the cleaning of them on a daily basis, etc. And so we hit the go button, got a bunch of them in, and some very happy staff from there on in.
When I use that unit, and almost 4 years I can using that one. It's comfortable and healthy for our health.
That's why we changed to the new G10, because it makes it more sealed without getting sparks in their eyes, sparks on their face.
And certainly coming into the summer months, I'm sure that they're going to be loving it even more. The staff are saying that they are able to breathe a lot more comfortably using the G10 system over and above their standard mask systems, where you've got to really use some energy to suck that air through the filters, whereas the G10 is pretty much just breathe normally, and you've got that 180-degree visuals on the front.
And making sure they know when they go home at night, they know they have breathed fresh air, fresh oxygen, and not having any dust or smoke in their lungs.
I would recommend the TECMEN respiratory systems to other engineers. I mean, if you want to improve your staff's health, productivity, it's really a must-have. I'm a fitter and turner by trade as well, so I know what they're thinking, I see what they see, and I feel what they're feeling as well, and certainly that TECMEN system there is by far better than anything else we've tried here.
I would absolutely recommend this TECMEN system to any engineering department. It's just easy to wear, easy to get parts, and the guys just loving it.
Our staff are extremely important to us, and they are the backbone of this company's success. Without them, we wouldn't be where we are today.